ERD here to talk about the difference between refurbishment and repair. It is ERD's expertise in refurbishment that allows us to offer an unprecedented 3-year warranty on most of our work. Today, I'm going to talk about a driver module found in a complex NSK motor control. The refurbishment process begins with a complete disassembly of the unit, and all subcomponents are rebuilt from the ground up. Under normal repair process, just the driver assembly would be repaired. ERD's NSK refurbishment requires the replacement of over 200 individual parts. At ERD, refurbishment is just one of the ways ERD serves you better, and at ERD, it is fixable.